Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Luxembourg. Tonight is Bouneschlupp, also known as green bean soup. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. I start to cook the bacon in the Dutch oven. Then I add the smoked bratwurst. Here's the bacon and bratwurst pulled out. Then I add the celery and the onion and saute for just a bit. Then I add the green beans and the leek. Then I add the bratwurst, bacon, and the broth water combo. And I let it simmer for 20 minutes. Then I add the potatoes. And it simmers for another 15 minutes. Here's the soup right after the last simmer. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.